The Hyundai Santa Fe family has grown in Australia with the launch of the new hybrid variant, the first hybrid SUV to be sold by the automaker down under. Powering the Santa Fe hybrid is a 1.6-liter T-GDi Smartstream engine supplemented by a 44.2 kilowatt electric motor that draws power from a 1.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion polymer battery pack. Power is sent through all four wheels thanks to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The SUV is good for a combined 169 kilowatt, 227 horsepower, and 350 Nm of torque. Hyundai boasts that the Santa Fe hybrid has more torque across a broader rev range than the available 3.5-liter Smartstream V6 and more peak power than the 2.2-liter turbo diesel, all while being more fuel efficient. The Santa Fe hybrid sips 6.0-liter 100 km over the combined cycle and 6.2-liter 100 km 37.9 mpg on the urban cycle. Like many other Hyundai models sold in Australia, the Santa Fe hybrid benefits from a unique suspension tune designed to suit local roads. It also features Hyundai's HTRAC advanced all-wheel drive system that features an electronic, variable torque split clutch with active torque control between the front and rear axles. Hyundai Australia will sell the Santa Fe hybrid in Elite $42,479 and Highlander $47,165 guises. Both models come loaded with features like remote smart parking assist, smart power tailgate, shift-by-wire transmission, a 12.3 inches digital instrument cluster, 10.25 inches infotainment system, 10-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, wireless smartphone charging, remote engine start, and the carmaker's full suite of SmartSense driver assistance and advanced active safety technologies. The Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid will also be available in 6-seater guise with the Highland trim, adding a pair of second-row captain seats. The addition of Santa Fe hybrid, including a new 6-seater option, brings renewed appeal in this latest evolution of our ever-popular large SUV. Hyundai Motor Company Australia Chief Executive Ted Lee said in a press release, "A favorite of Australian families, Santa Fe continues to deliver an alluring combination of style, space, luxury and technology, now with the performance and efficiency benefits of a hybrid powertrain.